A missed backup can delay a clinical workflow. A locked account can stall a product demo. A scattered security questionnaire can hold up an enterprise sale. For Ann Arbor Tech leaders, infrastructure is no longer just internal plumbing. Trust now sits inside the product experience. As Lisa Cardenas, VP of Commercial Services at AdRem Systems Corporation, puts it, Ann Arbor's tech advantage comes from turning deep research into real operating companies, where infrastructure and trust become part of the product. That shift matters early. A simple list of top tech companies in Ann Arbor does not show whether a firm is ready for enterprise buyers, regulated data, or investor diligence. Teams working in AI, cybersecurity, autonomous mobility, semiconductors, and health tech need support habits that function as business controls. Enterprise buyers want proof that systems, data, and vendors are controlled. Staff need clean approval paths. SOC 2, HIPAA, CMMC, ISO 27001, insurance requests, and customer reviews need current documentation, not hallway answers. The key areas are clear: access approvals, endpoint visibility, backup readiness, incident response, and compliance evidence. Without repeatable controls, small gaps appear at the worst time: during a demo, onboarding deadline, investor review, clinical handoff, or security questionnaire tied to revenue. Larger Ann Arbor technology companies also face different infrastructure pressures. Lab uptime, AI workloads, secure collaboration, field devices, connected endpoints, and sensitive technical work all require disciplined planning. Operational support turns scattered fixes into structure. It defines ownership for tickets, alerts, access approvals, backup priorities, and compliance evidence. That structure also helps support teams, especially when 78% cite career growth dissatisfaction as a key reason for IT help desk turnover. If your team is growing faster than your IT structure, the full article explains how to evaluate uptime, security, customer trust, and compliance readiness. Read the full article and add this to your Spotify playlist.